it comes to best budget friendly puzzles, YJ is the godfather for all. Here we have the YJ YuLong V2M, which is an $8 budget magnetic cube which is magnetized in the factory itself. This cube is an updated version of this predecessor with some slots for the magnets. Obviously it makes this cube a magnetic speed cube. Yeah, the cube size is around 56mm from corner to corner, and it weighs around 91 grams, which is a little bit heavier than some speed cubes, but this is okay for this cube. And this cube also comes in stickerless, and this is a black plastic stickered cube. Okay, let's go for some first turns. Yeah, the turnings are really good. I can't believe that an $8 budget cube has a good turning with magnets in it. Let's check for the magnet. Yeah, I can feel the magnets in it, but it is not too strong. They have used some medium magnet strength for this cube, but it's great for this budget. They have used magnets in it. And let's check for corner cutting. Yeah, reverse corner cutting, 45°. Yeah, out of the box it is a little bit loose, but it's really, the first impressions are really great for this cube, and I really love this cube, and it's really good for this budget. Oh my god. Actually my main is YJ YuLong GTS3M, and I think if this cube have been released a year ago, I would have definitely bought this cube. And the color shades are really like, and traditional stickers have been used. The colors are really bright and glossy, and it is great. There are no confusions between the stickers, and I would definitely recommend this cube. You can buy it online at cubelelo.com. I will leave the links in the description. Just go and buy it. Wow, really, for an $8. Yeah, which comes like and 550 Indian rupees. Just go and buy it. Don't forget to add this cube in your collection. Okay, if you like this video, hit a thumbs up, and for more videos hit the red button below to subscribe. Bye.